Witness the fusion of power and elegance. Our electrohydraulic CNC press brake stands as a testament to robust engineering and modern design, ready for the most demanding tasks. From the heavy-duty C-frame to the precision ground guides and powerful hydraulic cylinders, every component is built for longevity and peak performance. The intuitive CNC control puts total command at your fingertips. Program complex sequences, store job data, and simulate bending paths with just a few taps. Precision meets power as the ram descends smoothly under electrohydraulic control. The material flows into shape with unwavering consistency, bend after bend. The result? Flawless bends with sharp angles and clean surfaces. Our machine ensures repeatable accuracy, from the first piece to the 1,000th. From raw sheet to finished component in seconds. Experience the productivity and reliability that empowers your workshop to take on any challenge.